Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam.
Bye-bye.
Ba-ba-ba-bam, ba-ba-bam, ba-ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-ba-ba-ba-bam, ba-bam,
Ba-ba-bam. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
खुशामदीद.
Assalamualaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
మీకు అందరికీ వందనములు.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्णा, जय जिनेन्द्र. हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद, मौला अली मदद कहते हुए सारे फीजियन भाई बंधुओं को बोलेंगे नीसम बोला. हम आ गए हैं बंधुजन आपके ही प्यारे महिमा के दुलारे माई सेल्फ फालतू रानी और मेरे साथ हाजिर हो गए हैं
Myself Altu Papa.
लेकर आपके लिए ऐसा शो जो सुन के ही आप बोलेंगे वाह 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 वाह.
Very true, but of course, आज का शो बहुत ही I would say it's going to be an awesome dapper kind of a show for already.
डैपर kind of show.
Yeah, because आज हम लोग फिल्मी फैशन की बात कर रहे हैं. फिल्मी फैशन मतलब आज है एक फिल्मी फैशन फ्राइडेज. क्योंकि बता देखो फिल्मों में एक्चुअली वन ऑफ द थिंग्स यू टेक अवे फ्रॉम फिल्म्स आर द फैशन ट्रेंड्स हमें पता चलता है. In fact, if you go back in time, the way we have been researching, we came into researching of Indian cinema after like 100 years of Indian cinema, right?
Right.
Pretty much 100 years होने के बाद हमारे existence आई. मतलब we got into radio by around that time itself. You know what time? Around 2010s. Right? 2009-2010 तक हमारी जन्म हुई एक्चुअली यहाँ पे रेडियो पे. एंड तब से हम लोग रिसर्च कर रहे हैं हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा जो एक्चुअली इज 100-year-old इंडियन सिनेमा वर्जन. 100 years. I'm not kidding. As of
100 से ज्यादा ना.
हाँ अभी you're right. It's 108 years right now so far. Can you imagine how many generations have been through it, right?
Right.
Just देखा जाए तो हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा में नेपोटिज्म के नाम पे कितने जनरेशन निकल गए.
अबे नेपोटिज्म के नाम पे फिर से चालू हो गया.
मतलब देखो see the best way to measure how long they have been existed, right? Raj Kapoor family, right? Raj Kapoor actually was second generation Indian movies production. You didn't know that, right? Raj Kapoor came in industry as a young man. And उससे पहले उनके पिताजी थे. Prithviraj Kapoor, because they had a theatre, I suppose, right? So Prithviraj Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, what's now Ranbir Kapoor. 4 generations. Yeah.
पृथ्वीराज कपूर, राज कपूर,
ऋषि कपूर,
रणबीर कपूर,
right?
Correct.
If you look at one more thing, abhi to there's one more generation coming in, which is Taimur and all stuff.
Yeah.
But we don't want to go there still. We're still stuck in. So 4 generations have passed through. But you can imagine 4 generations wearing different kinds of clothing have passed through us.
Right.
Because Indian cinema, when it first came in their father, they actually used to make only what do you call mythological movies. Or rather, should I say, these kind of movies which actually were like, kathas, like literally like drama mein jo chalta tha usi ko unhone film mein bana diya. Right? Yeah, because they didn't have the concept of social stories yet, right? So Indian movies were started say around 1920s kind of thing, right? That time they only had some silent movies only. Talkies तो बाद में आई ना.
हाँ, correct.
And very few movies, very few makers of films, and एक बार film आई तो चलती थी सालों तक. And of course, India, as you guys know, that time we still were fighting for independence.
Right.
वो भी चल रहा था, बहुत चल रहा था, and people were focusing a lot on that particular thing itself, right?
Right.
Everybody's thought was an independence part of it. So
Right.
there were very relevant topics about the culture, about the Hindu stories and Muslim, the Mughalai stories, all the stuff, right? It's to have-
Mughlai.
I meant in terms, they had those kind of stories. Like, Humayun ka Maqbara, all those things. I don't know what they call it. And they also have things like, the Raja Harishchandra ki Katha, all those things, right? But somewhere in the 20s, the 1940s mein change hua thoda, right? And they started showing the how society changed also, because the entertainment industry was always been one of the top rung, right? They were the people who were like the established people, successful people, paise wale, right? They used to make a lot of money based on the fact that they had movies being shown everywhere and all, right?
Right.
So as such change hua. And if you look at it, even the trend of the society of Indian society changed also, right?
Right.
Independence ke baad they focused on self-improvement.
Right.
Right? Self-improvement matlab they talked about social norms, social situations, what the poverty was going on, talked about corruption, they talked about how caste systems, both were aise bhai. And now when I say that Indian fashion की जब बात होती है ना, हमारे fashion जो है उतना बदला नहीं जितना हम सोचते हैं.
हाँ.
मतलब traditionally, if you look at एक traditional dress होती है ना फालतू वाली, we have a traditional wear.
Right.
Indian culture can be identified with the dresses we wear. Like for instance, women wear saris, we know the Indian culture. Right? Men wear dhotis and lungis, they're Indian culture.
Very
right?
easy. But
अभी भी चालू है. That's all. Even now it's on right now, right?
हाँ.
So ethnically छोड़ के, if you look at the adoption of fashion towards westernization, you will see that there's a huge trend you can notice. Now हमने पिछले बार भी किया था fashionable Fridays kind of a thing, where we actually talked about the fashion trends of women, right? And all the heroines who actually were kind of I would say trendsetters with fashion, right? आज हम लोग focus करने वाले हैं हमारे men folk के बारे में.
Correct.
And how they have actually shown how fashion was there, right? So let's say the oldest we could go into and tap into Banjan, because we started watching movies quite some time of different eras, right?
Right.
तो एक चीज है 1940s 50s में, right? फालतू there was a time when just this post independence, right? And then there was this British का जो
after effect था उनका जो मतलब left क्या, what do you call that, the lingering effect
of legacy
the British
of
Raj.
British Raj.
Yeah.
And there was this thing where the women, the guys used to wear dhoti kurta for sure, the traditional wear. Apart from that, they used to also show people who are well off, right? And as people who are very should I say well dressed, matlab they used to be suit boot.
Suit boot में आया खरे, yeah. So most of the heroes either they would be in dhoti kurta, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Like गांव के जो ऐसे मतलब total bhola types, or they would be in suit boot. And to show the level of the rich versus poor kind of that those kind of things, they used to be in suit boot, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So ऐसे होता था, and prior to that, there used to be people, they used to have all traditional songs or movies we shot where people were wearing traditional wear like kurtas or pajamas or that kind of stuff. For men fashion especially. लेकिन एक trend आनी शुरू हुई जहाँ पे people started wearing fashion, and वहाँ पे at that 1930s and 40s की बात है. Now people who actually listen to us also are from that era. They know about this, right? I'm sure your wardrobe would achieve at least about 4 times the entire year you've been in existence.
Really? In one year?
Not 1 year, one existence of a lifetime. There are people who listen to us who are like in their 80s and 90s, right? Some people also. They might not probably want to call up and share with us how the fashion thing was for you guys. लेकिन अभी तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि there's one.
जैसे हमारे प्रकाश सिंह जी हैं.
प्रकाश सिंह जी हैं, and of course he talked about he's been doing for so many years, right? But the point I'm making here, is for us to be identifying this, understanding how things were, right? Now, for instance, Raj Kapoor, we know, has done a bunch of roles.
Right.
Dilip Kumar, Yusuf
bunch
Khan.
of
roles. And he still, God bless, has been, he's still with us. It's good for us, right? Now, we're going to see, there was a fashion where people used to wear suit boot. And even if they go for hunting, they wear suit boot and go.
What?
Yeah, I'm not kidding.
Hunting? They used to go hunting?
They show like, they go into the nature and everything, right? And the suit boot के साथ मतलब कैसा होता था fashion? Suit तो वही suit था. It would be like an haute coat they used to wear. And they used to wear baggy pants.
Really?
Yeah, they used to be baggy pants in those times. 1950s की बात है. एक बहुत अच्छा गाना है from the movie Barsat. And this particular movie has, Raj Kapoor Saab. And I think Rajendra Nath. No, I forget his name. Who's the villain guy who actually... His name is Prem Nath. Prem Nath was the... Yeah.
Was the villain or was the...
He used to always play a negative role. He was very handsome though. Prem Nath.
Because his brother Rajendra Nath used to act in comedian roles.
Correct.
Right?
But Prem Nath was the handsome dude.
Oh, in this movie.
And they actually wear suit and they're wearing baggy pants.
Oh.
Now, we're not talking about the people, the folk dance people. Folk dance are wearing traditional folk, whatever they wear, right? But the heroes are actually wearing attire which is like a suit, boot and scarf and everything.
Wow.
Yeah, and a baggy pants. ये गाना सुनो, we'll be back and talk more about what happened to fashion as we went along.
बरसात में हमसे मिले तुम सजन, तुमसे मिले हम बरसात में. नैनों से झांके दी मस्त जवानी, मेरी मस्त जवानी. कहती फिरे दुनिया से दिल की कहानी, मेरे दिल की कहानी. की जो मैं उनसे कैसी शर्म, की जो मैं उनसे कैसी शर्म. बरसात में बरसात में हमसे मिले तुम सजन तुमसे मिले हम बरसात में प्रीत ने सिंगार किया मैं बनी दुल्हन सपनों की रिमझिम में नाच उठा मन मेरा नाच उठा मन आज मैं तुम्हारी हुई तुम मेरे सनम आज मैं तुम्हारी हुई तुम मेरे सनम बरसात में
दिन and of course, बच्चन आप ये गाना सुनते सुनते आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये गाना जो है ना रिलीज समवेयर एग्जैक्टली अराउंड पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस टाइम 1949 की बात है फातवानी. Now this is the time I told you that baggy pants and used to wear jackets. Jackets on top of that with the scarf and everything, right? And it's so nice, you know, you to see how the blend was, right? Now, एक और चीज़ था उसी time में there used to be a fashion where tight t-shirts and baggy pants. I'm talking about men. आज men की fashion की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो फिल्मी fashion जो है हमारे हीरो ने हमारे दिए हैं in movies, right? Can you think of a song, Bhattajan, which actually has hero tight t-shirts and bogla pants?
Like the baggy pants used to be like, you know,
balloon baggies.
Balloon baggies, yeah. Yeah, but tight t-shirts and sometimes 2 or 3 buttons of the t-shirt will be open.
Exactly.
Right?
They used to have a scarf to show that they're mawalis.
Yeah,
Tie a kerchief on the neck.
Or they'll have that little mole on the cheek.
That is only.
That is only for mawalis.
My God. See, I told you, women like bad boys.
I do.
Were you
I mean, no, yes, no.
Seriously, I think you were looking at all the other sidekicks over there, right, when the movie is going on?
Yeesh. No, it used to be so cute that they used to characterize people like that.
Cute.
Hey, I'm talking.
No wonder people are giving fidder on Samba, Kalia, and everybody else. Very good.
Oh,
Keep it up.
Please stop.
What? Cute?
Even Samba has a kerchief.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you.
Mohan, he used to have a kerchief.
But Samba is a different era, Bhattajan.
Yeah.
Samba ka costume dekh
1970s, na?
1970s, it was a blend of certain things.
It was a blend of hippie culture.
Shush, don't wait.
Okay.
Yeah. But अभी Bhattajan आप एक सोच के बताइएगा 70s में with jumping a couple of 2 decades or something like that, right? 60s 70s चलो 60s बात करते, right? 60s 70 में hippies की बात की फालतू नहीं. तो आप हमें कॉल करके बताइएगा क्या what was the definitive fashion statement which came up in the hippies time, right? The 60s 70s. So you're going to give us a call here and share with us, and you're going to share a song which actually has sported that particular fashion. Number to call here 408-912-2479 408-912-2479 408-912-2479 पे कॉल करके बताएगा कि इंडियन सिनेमा में जो फैशन उन्होंने ड्रॉ किया था फ्रॉम द हिपी जनरेशन दैट इज 60s 70s व्हाट वाज दैट. एक गाना बताइए जहां पे उसका यू कैन सी दैट एज अ एग्जांपल, ओके? एंड 60s 70s में बहुत सारे फैशन चेंज हुए थे. हमारे men our leading men were actually having a different kind of attire totally, right? So call कीजिएगा. लेकिन अभी के लिए एक और I was going to present to you a particular song which actually has the tight t-shirt and baggy pants look. Faltani, were you able to identify which song I'm talking about?
Yes, Altibaba, I know one song at least, and one person who I should love to watch wearing those baggy pants and dancing.
He's the only one who could pull it off as a person.
Well, actually, he's the one who's also pulled off. There's another fashion trend that I want to share with you, but that'll come later, right?
Why? What is that thing?
Printed shirts.
Oh yeah, that comes in. No, actually, he's the person who brought it in, I suppose.
Printed shirts and those pipe pants. You know the ones like tight pants, like it goes like that.
अच्छा बाने पहला ये बताओ कि you are the person, the hero, so they can visualize the person. What
we are talking about our very own Kishore Da.
Kishore Da never wore tight pants with printed shirts, by the way. He was more of baggy pants type, but he wore printed shirts with baggy pants.
Baggy pants, yeah.
And because Kishore Kumar predominantly was in the black and white zamana for us.
Yes.
Black and white zamana मतलब imagine करो आप 1940s, 50s तक 60s, I think we started having color movies, color films. Were very expensive to make, so they actually came in 60s में आए थे. So pretty much the first 2 decades of the pre-independence and post-independence, that particular era was when Kishore Kumar was pretty famous, right? तो Kishore Kumar अगर आप देखा जाए तो एक signature movie आती है जो it's like difficult to define his costume thing फातवानी because he's worn different costume different times. Half tickets से लेके half pants से लेके घाघरा चोली तक पहना उन्होंने. He's one guy who was worn a half pant all the way to Ganga Chori and looked cute and all doing so, right?
Well, he's worn half pants.
Yeah. He from the he's been worn Persian wear, where he wears that topi and that pajama, right?
Yeah.
In the movie Ina Minadika.
Right.
But Kishore Kumar ka ek gana hai jahan pe I want to talk about the fashion of tight t-shirt and baggy pants. You know which song I'm talking about? The trio. There, all the three brothers.
All the brothers. Oh, Babu. No, that Chalte Ka Naam Gaadi.
चलती का नाम गाड़ी
yeah.
एंड चलती का नाम गाड़ी का एक गाना लगा के बोले जान आपके लिए सुनिएगा एंड ये आई थिंक चलती का नाम गाड़ी में हीरोइन वाला भी एक ये है बट हीरोइन इफ यू लुक एट इट स्टिल वेयरिंग साड़ी एंड लुकिंग क्यूट एंड द पर्सन इज मधुबाला एंड मधुबाला स्पेशल होने वाला है और अनमोल नकवी इन द नेक्स्ट आवर बन लेकिन अभी के लिए ये गाना सुनिएगा फालतू नहीं लैंड अप अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग फॉर यू गाइस फ्रॉम द मूवी चलती का नाम गाड़ी वेयर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द फैशन ऑफ men where they used to wear tight t-shirts like what I'm wearing today and baggy pants.
You're wearing a tight t-shirt. Although that's
Of
not
course.
right.
Yes.
You're not wearing a tight t-shirt. You're wearing a nice t-shirt.
I'm wearing a tight t-shirt. Only thing I'm also wearing a baggy pant, but not a different kind. This is a different kind of baggy pants, Balajan. इसका भी एक trend है.
No, wait. These pants have become baggy because he's lost so much weight, Balajan. And it's a tight t-shirt because he's lost so much weight. He fits into a smaller t-shirt now. Yeah.
Faltani, that was too much information.
भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है
These are not baggy pants. These are dhangris, Altava.
Yeah, pretty much loose dhangri pants, right?
Cargo pants.
Yeah,
kind.
baggy pants, I think the word came in only afterwards. Spell it as word dhangri pants, I suppose. Loose is to be.
Yeah.
Right? Like pajamas, pretty much.
दिल में जली जाती है बिगड़ी बिगड़ी चली आती है झुंझलाती हुई बल खाती हुई सावन की सूनी रात में मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है
You know, it won't be right if we don't talk about the rock and roll influence on Indian cinema. Because I think our Indian Elvis Presley, Shammi Kapoor, was a person who actually brought in, who's very fashionable, by the way. And Shammi Kapoor lived through the 60s and 70s, pretty much 80s also. Right?
Yeah.
But I think I liked him the best because he used to pull off the rock and roll thing so beautifully.
And even with, the most I remember of Shammi Kapoor, a lot of the songs, the really, really good songs, he's in Suits.
Suits. But the thing is, the rock and roll influence, right?
Yeah.
The rock and roll influence is what? Suits. But not the pants which you're talking about. 70s, 60s.
Yeah, we're talking about the narrow pants.
Yes,
with,
40s, 50s में आपके लिए ढांगरी pants, loose pants and jacket था. लेकिन अभी jacket पहन के loose pants छोड़ के they came into something called as tights. Or should I say
they're not
tapered down pants?
Tapered pants, yeah. Those, you know, the...
Yeah. Figure hugging.
No, they were not figure hugging. Not skinny pants. What they call skinny pants?
I think they were skinny pants, Paswani.
Yeah, skinny
You know,
pants.
I think there are... Shammi Kapoor can be credited for many of those things, but there's one particular song which totally describes skinny pants if you want to see it. Right? You know which song?
Which one?
Biswajit का गाना याद है तेरे को?
The...
With the guitar. Rock and roll again.
Oh.
लाखों है यहाँ दिल वाले बलजान ये गाना सुनिएगा
Is he wearing skinny pants?
Oh yes, Padwani, you will not believe it.
Oh wow.
And this again, this came out in somewhere in the 60s, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, 60s or 70s was it?
You went off into the future, Altava. 1960s में बहुत सारे ऐसे beautiful.
Arey, nahi re baba, the Lakhon Dilwane was from which movie was it? I keep forgetting. See, there's a problem when you actually talk about things which actually were in the past.
Oh God.
Open air ka music tha Padwani, so obviously somewhere in I think this Lakhon Dilwane is movie is Biswajit and Babita, right?
I think it was in 1960s.
Ah, okay, there. I'm still there in 60s only. Fatma.
Yeah.
So 60s mein you actually had the hippies. So hippies se pehle ek aur influence tha rock and roll ka.
Huh.
And that's what we're talking about. Hippie jaane se pehle rock and roll. We still have a question open for you guys to give us a call and share with us a particular fashion trend which came up in the 60s and 70s in Indian cinema. Right?
Right.
It was very popular. I'm sure you would have remembered your grandparents having those photographs with them, right? And it was very popular. Literally was like as though you could wear the pant ulta.
But this was late 60s, Manajan. This is like around the time that we had our Rajesh Khanna Saab
Correct.
and all those
Yes,
people
yes.
in that era. But he was wearing a suit in the song.
Who?
Lakho ye
Exactly. He's wearing the typical suit, which is that white suit and the bow tie.
The bow tie. Ha.
And the black tight pants. Socha Majidar. It's a very nice song. and
And the
paper
way
doll
he
pants.
dances, oh God.
Yeah. Hey, many heroes did that already. There was.
He didn't know how to dance.
He didn't know how to dance.
But Shammi Kapoor used to dance.
Shammi
well.
Kapoor dance. We had Jitendra also used to have this kind of fashion.
Yeah.
Because he also came in 60s.
दिल
I will talk about it, Jitendra.
Okay.
प्यार नहीं मिलता महफिल महफिल जा देखा हर दिल में समा कर देखा हर साज पे गा कर देखा महफिल महफिल जा देखा हर दिल में समा कर देखा हर साज पे गा कर देखा दिल को कहीं चैन न मिला और दिल को कहीं चैन न मिला मैं तो दुनिया में प्यारे अकेला ही रहा लाखों है यहाँ
Yeah, but इस जमाने में rock and roll songs आए. Cabaret was really big and all the heroes have all kinds of dresses.
The heroes are not doing the cabaret, by the way, yeah, Manujan. They're not doing the cabaret. They're all fully clothed. Top to bottom, they're fully clothed.
Wait 1 second. Who told you cabaret is somebody is not clothed?
They are clothed. In fact, at that time, Mahima ji used to say that Helen also, like, even though it
Yeah.
looks revealing, it's not because she used to wear body stocking.
Okay, that's for the movies. But cabaret generally was not that, remember? Cabaret was when you actually there used to be people who used to sing.
Like a
and
performance.
Jazz. Jazz
Yeah.
performance would be called a cabaret. But anyway, and there should be dancers who dance, right?
Correct.
Later on, it became kind of a different connotation and all this stuff. But we have one the waiting line is going to talk about the fashion, filmy fashion with us, okay?
Huh.
We asked them the question as 60s, 70s में एक fashion trend जो आई Indian cinema में, right?
हाँ जी.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Pam Pam के filmy fashion parties में. Who's this?
नमस्कार विश्वजीत भाटिया.
रंजीत भाटिया साहब, पैम कैसे हैं?
हाँ जी ठीक ठाक है.
बस ठीक ठाक. क्या सर
हाँ
आपको
जी.
तो बोलना चाहिए मजे में हूँ,
हाँ
मस्त
सर.
हूँ.
We're
कैसे
talking
ठीक
about
ठाक?
A1.
हाँ ये ना because we're talking about the fashion of Indian cinema and आज male fashion की बात करें, focusing especially on the male folks, right?
Correct.
तो आप
Yeah.
बताइए हमें, we don't want to date you to ask you when you actually were, what fashion was going on when you were there in your prime, but 70s 60s में 60s 70s में एक trend आई थी fashion वाली, western trend which came into Indian cinema, borrowed heavily from the hippie culture. So can you tell us what was that trend, men fashion क्या था वो?
वो बेल बॉटम पेंट आई थी जो ऊपर
हाँ.
ज्यादा ढीली डाली होती थी.
और वो प्रिंटेड वाले शर्ट जहाँ
Long
पे
collar.
यहाँ तक ऑलमोस्ट
बड़े
बेली
बड़े
बड़े कॉलर. हाँ.
बड़े बड़े बाल कानों के ऊपर.
और वो बड़े बड़े गॉगल्स
Goggles जो भी था.
गॉगल्स और वो हेडबैंड वाला हेडबैंड
अरे but
पहना.
headband was not so famous heroes, right?
हाँ, it was.
No, headband was only the villains to wear or the comedians to wear headband.
अरे वैसे hippie culture was considered गया वाला culture, like
हाँ,
it
हाँ,
wasn't
हाँ.
considered that it was actually a stylish kind of thing, right?
हाँ लेकिन आप बताइए सर, एक ऐसा गाना जहाँ पे people can actually identify the culture automatically, तो कोई ऐसा गाना याद है आपको?
वो गाना था ना, दम मारो दम मिट जाएगा.
हाँ.
Ah, very
Correct.
good.
लेकिन उसमें do we have yeah, we do have
But
that.
but in that she's wearing baggy pants.
She's not wearing, she's wearing bell bottoms.
या वो भी और
अभी
दूसरे लोग भी जो
bell
साथ में डांस कर रहे हैं वो
She's
भी.
wearing bell bottoms. Yeah, she's wearing bell bottoms. हाँ हाँ, I can never forget that
और
dress. Very nice.
उसके पहले जो फैशन था वो चिलम पेंट का था.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? चिलम पैंट. That is the tight वाला, right?
टाइट पैंट.
Tight pant. That's what men used to wear, tight pant.
Yeah.
And एक अच्छा
तो
गाना है
अभी
सर.
वापस दोबारा आ गया है.
हाँ अभी आ गया वापस. Yes. आजकल हमारे ऐसे चिलम legs है ना इसलिए.
वो skinny pants बोलते हैं सर.
But anyway, thank you sir. You're right about that. ये आंसर हम ले लेंगे and we'll definitely play that song for sure. Okay? Thank you so much sir. सुनते
Thank you
रहिएगा.
so much for calling in.
And actually Banajan, ये 60s का trend 70s में भी आया था. There were a bunch of good movies in 60s 70s. We have more caller waiting in line. Can we go to them please?
Let's go. Pam Pam कौन है जी?
पैम पैम
Pam Pam उर्मिलदा क्या हाल है?
एकदम बढ़िया. आप सुनाओ.
So,
बस.
Urmilda, are you from the era of baggy pants? I don't want to ask you. No, छोड़ो. Allah, don't answer.
Yes,
Don't answer.
I am from all kinds of eras, man.
नहीं नहीं, I won't ask. Don't, so let's ask you this thing, okay? 60s, 70s में हमने बात किया and रंजीत साहब ने आपसे पहले कॉल किया था. He shared with us one of the fashion trends as bell
कौन सा
bottom.
उन्होंने कौन सा बताया?
Bell bottom pants बोला. तो आप बताइए और कुछ.
हाँ पर वेल बॉटम पैंट्स बताया, लेकिन आप मेरे को बताओ कोई पिक्चर बताया, कोई गाना बताया उन्होंने?
हाँ उन्होंने एक गाना बताया, लेकिन I want you to give me one more song where this particular bell bottom pants.
मैं उसीलिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, क्योंकि मैं आपको उसीलिए कॉल कर रहा हूँ. उनका गाना मेरा गाना एक ना हो कहीं.
हाँ हाँ बताइए ना कौन सा गाना.
तो आप बता तो सही.
ओके मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं जो गाना बताने वाला था वो है फ्रॉम हरे राम हरे कृष्णा.
हाँ.
You know, इत्तेफाक की बात है कि आप हमारे बंधु लोग हम लोग सब एक ही तरह सोचते हैं. Because even रंजीत साहब shows the same song.
Well, you know the first
See.
thing that comes to your mind is Dam Aradam, right?
Because we use the word hippie.
Yes.
Because we use the word
Yes.
hippie. But think of some other songs sir जहाँ पे हमारे हीरो साहब लोग 100% बेल बॉटम पैंट लगा के नाच रहे हैं.
Hero लोग.
हीरो लोग एक सुपर डुपर गाना 60s 70s में आया था
Bell bottom.
बेल बॉटम पहनते हुए. He will know.
तो शमी you know अभी आप शम्मी कपूर ही बात कर रहे थे,
No,
right?
Shami Kapoor, I've never seen
And-
in bell bottoms.
No, he has I'm not seen bell
No,
bottoms.
no. I'm telling you something else.
हाँ हाँ.
So, a fact about Shami Kapoor, and then because we are talking about Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, then I'm talking about Devanand as well.
Uh-huh.
So, Shami Kapoor impersonated Elvis Presley.
Correct.
You guys know that.
That's
True,
that's what
true.
we talked about.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
just said the Indian.
And then Devanand impersonated Gregory Peck.
We know that. Yes.
Yes.
तो no
So,
अच्छा
but
आप
I'm trying to think bell bottom का कौन सा गाना I cannot think of
अरे
it,
sir,
but
you
I
know
already
the song.
called for
You know the
the other song.
There was a movie called Julie. You remember the song Julie?
Oh yes.
हाँ.
भूल गया सब कुछ याद नहीं है
Yeah,
कुछ.
exactly. And actually, there were
Yes.
60s, 70s में फालतू. If you look at it, there were some really wonderful songs,
Huh.
wonderful movies also actually, which came out because that was the time when Indian cinema was peak. Because 80s, 90s में wah हो गया था.
Right.
But again,
Yes,
thank you
yes,
so
yes.
much for calling us, sir. You're right about the songs, and thank you for calling and chiming in today, sir.
Okay, thank
you
you
so much.
Have
And
a
of
good
course, Faltwani,
हाँ.
we talked about now baggy pants तक आ गए हम 60s 70s, right?
हाँ.
झट से हम लोग jump करेंगे 80s में.
हाँ.
Do you know what was the trend in the 80s?
80s.
Uh,
नहीं यार, Abdullah, you didn't talk about one trend where there was a sweater trend that happened.
That was 80s, man.
That was in the 80s.
Yeah, pullover trend. You know who started also?
No,
Yeah.
it was there even at the time of the, the
No.
turtlenecks. Of course, Rajesh
Turtleneck-
Khanna and
Nah, that was
turtlenecks.
80s, no man.
No,
Late 70s, 80s.
नहीं, आराधना कब आया था?
70s में.
70s.
हाँ.
No, 60s में. क्या बात कर
अरे
रहा है?
आराधना जाके गूगल करना यार. When did he come? He came into existence what time?
In 1960s superstar बने 1960 में.
कौन?
60s में.
कौन?
हमारे of course राजेश खन्ना साहब.
तो?
1969 आराधना.
हाँ
See?
तो क्या हुआ?
Look at the turtlenecks.
हाँ turtleneck was part of the residual of the thing, man. 70s, 1969 में आया था.
हाँ.
I'm telling you, residual of the hippie culture.
It is not. Oh
Yeah.
God.
Of course. Naveen Nischal, think of Naveen Nischal and even for the matter
That guy.
Devanand.
Who was the one who acted
We
in
even played a,
Jnana
we,
Bharat?
we
I
played
forgot his
a,
name.
wait man, we even played a Thakela song yesterday, you know, of that guys.
Who?
That one film hero.
The Havas movie.
Havas movie. ये सब तो नहीं याद रहता है.
Adil
Why?
Dawes.
All that things, no, all those things you can remember very well, Faltwani.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
so that's what I'm telling you, Banajan. ये जो दिखते हैं नहीं.
Hey!
हाँ.
मैं बहुत मासूम हूँ बंदजन. वो
दिखते हैं
बहुत हाँ.
नहीं,
नहीं,
जो
who?
दिखते हैं वो है नहीं वो.
Whatever. Yeah.
Okay, fine, ठीक है. And one more trend which Rajesh Khanna sahab brought up, you remember Faltwani?
हाँ.
Was that kurtis.
हाँ.
Men wearing short kurtas.
Short kurtas. Yeah, that's
Side
true.
button wale.
Yeah.
Sanjeev Kumar also won that song for some of those things.
Yes, in a lot of his movies.
Yeah.
In fact, Sanjeev Kumar used to pair it with dhotis. In some movie, I remember distinctly that he's wearing a dhoti and he's wearing that kurta.
Yeah,
with the
sure. And there's one particular where he's wearing see, he had a different trend.
Huh.
Have you heard of sleeveless blouse, sleeveless sweater? Right? Sleeveless kurtas, right?
Yeah.
But he has worn a full-sleeved kurta with no sleeves.
Excuse me?
He played the role of Thakur, right?
Oh God. Oh my
Okay,
God.
आगे बढ़ते माताड़ी 80s में एक और आया ट्रेंड
हाँ.
एंड इफ यू नोटिस ट्रेंड सलमान खान से लेके आमिर खान तक सबने इसको सही में यूज किया
Long hair wala trend.
बैड हेयरकट वाला ट्रेंड वाला
Bad haircuts
and
then
the number which came up, you know.
yeah, the pants used to be like the tapering down with the balloon butts.
Balloon baggies.
Yeah, so the no, those are balloon baggies.
हाँ, they're called balloon baggies.
Oh God, it used to look so unsmart.
Any song
In
which
fact,
is-
even Akshay Kumar has worn those kind of pants.
Exactly. So can you think of a song, Patrani? There's one beautiful song which actually even 90s तक वो चला, trend चला actually.
क्या?
Balloon baggies वाला trend.
Really?
Yeah. You know which movie?
Huh.
That song called Mohra.
Oh yes, but in that he's wearing like a sleeveless, without a bare-chested vest. He's wearing.
Most importantly, Patrani, he's wearing balloon baggies in that.
Really?
And yes, but ये गाना नहीं लगा होगा तो of course it's not going to be fair because Akshay Kumar, Govinda, Sunil Shetty,
Huh.
they all actually came into wearing baggy pants.
That's true.
And then they transitioned to something else we're going to talk about as a final trend, okay?
Yes, Pranav, please, you heard it right.
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश नहीं तुझको कोई होश होश उस पर जो बन का जोश जोश नहीं तेरा कोई दोष दोष मगर होश है तू हर वक्त वक्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त
आशिक है तेरा नाम नाम आशिक है तेरा नाम नाम दिल लेना देना काम काम मेरी बाहें मत थाम थाम बदनाम है तू बदमस्त मस्त
तू चीज
That's right, Bhajan. बड़ी पैंट्स पहन के बड़ी मस्त बोलने वाले लोग यही थे. And yes, Bhajan, यहाँ पे ना in the 90s, late 80s, 90s was the advent of even the jeans. हाँ Bhajan, हमारे हीरो लोग jeans पहनना शुरू कर दिए थे. And अगर आप सोचेंगे तो there's also this particular song, if you remember, of Akshay Kumar and what's his name, Saif Ali Khan. Father, do you remember that song where Akshay Kumar is donning a tight jeans?
He's wearing tight jeans in that?
हाँ. कौन सा गाना बताओ? Akshay Kumar and Saif
हम
Ali Khan.
दोनों हैं अलग
Ah.
अलग. Oh, he's wearing tight?
And the most unsmart of dresses, I should tell you seriously, but I'm not a person. I'm not like a fashion, police. I don't comment about it, but it looks so unsmart. Long hair, loose coat, doesn't even match the pant he's wearing, and the jeans, tight jeans.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what is Saif Ali Khan wearing? He used to be
Tight.
pretty stylish, right?
Yeah, Fatah. You like all these kind of styles. I'm sure, Fatah. For you,
Saif is wearing no, Saif's not wearing. Oh
not
yeah,
wearing
that
what? Oh no, he's wearing something. My God.
No. Wait a second.
Oh.
Wait a second. So there was this zamana where they'd wear formal shirts with jeans
Yeah.
and matchless match ties and jackets.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's-
odd jackets,
Yes,
right?
I guess who was worth that mostly.
Akshay Kumar.
Exactly. Thank you very much. And what kharab. You wear a light blue shirt with a blue jeans and you wear a brown jacket on top of it.
Oh God. And red
सोचने
tie.
में मुझे सर दर्द आ रहा है मेरे को.
Yeah.
You know what we should do actually, Padri? We must bring this trend again.
Actually, yeah.
We should bring trend again.
It's already come, yeah.
No, trend as
Nowadays,
we've got to
nobody-
bring back this topic again sometime.
Oh,
Theme
like
recall
that.
बनेगा because 1 घंटे में इसका कोई justice नहीं होता है. But Faltani, I think we must stop at this point where we talked about the matchless match jacket, master match tie, and I can't even imagine this. My eyes are going to hurt. Listen to the song.
What? No. I like the song, man. I seriously like the song. Play it, please. Thank you.
लगा Faltani.
मुझे लगाना है?
लगा दे डाली, लगा दे. And of course, बच्चे इसी के साथ अभी show close down करने वाले हैं. But we're going to say that we're going to come back the next hour with a nice song for you guys. From I don't know what song you're playing, Faltani.
हम दोनों हैं अलग-अलग, right?
तो एक काम करते हैं फाल्तू नहीं मैं लगा देता हूँ ये गाना बिकॉज वी गोट टू गो टू नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट राइट
Yeah.
तो ये गाना है फ्रॉम द मूवी मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी कब आया था फिल्म याद नहीं है यार समवेयर इन द 80s और 90s इज फाल्तू
90s.
अर्ली 90s में आया था बलजान हाँ 90 से लेके 2000 2010 सेकंड वी ऑलरेडी इन सेकंड रादर थर्ड डिकेड में आ गए हम लोग एक्चुअली तो यस वील टॉक अबाउट दैट एवरीथिंग बलजान लेकिन अभी के लिए गाना सुनेगा हम लोग बोले वाले हैं आपको गुड नाइट शब्बा खैर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट आवर विद आवर अनमोल नगमे
हम दोनों हैं अलग अलग हम दोनों हैं जुदा जुदा एक दूजे से कभी कभी रहते हैं हम खफा खफा